Android has always had one thing the iPhone never did, and that is freedom. You can install any app you wanted from anywhere without asking Google's permission. That's ending from September 2026. Google will require every app, including ones you sideload yourself, to be registered to a verified developer. The open door is closing, but there is a way out, and I'll get to it. Here's exactly what's changing. Right now, you can download an APK from anywhere and install it. From September, on any certified Android device, the app has to be tied to a developer who has verified their identity with Google. It starts in 4 countries first, that is Brazil, Indonesia, Singapore, and Thailand. Then it goes global from 2027. Certified devices means roughly 95% of all Android phones. Now, in fairness, here's Google's side. They say it's about security. Malware on Android overwhelmingly comes from sideloaded apps from dodgy sources, exactly like the APK pure spyware story. Tying every app to a verified identity makes it far harder for malware authors to hide. Google's argument is simple. The developer has to put their real name to an app, they're less likely to poison it. And here's the other side. Critics say this is about control, not safety. To distribute freely, you need a full account. It requires a government ID and a $25 fee. It's a free tier, but it caps you at 20 devices. Privacy developers who release tools anonymously attach a government ID without real personal risk. F-Droid called it existential threat. So who actually gets hurt? F-Droid, the home of open source Droid apps, signs apps with its own community key. The entire model is incompatible with per developer ID verification. On February 24th, F-Droid published an open letter against it by 56 organizations from 19 countries. A campaign called Android Open has filed complaints with regulators in over 20 jurisdictions, including the EU and the US. The Guru's catch. It's the way out, I promise. The rule only applies to certified Android devices. It's phones with Google is baked in. Custom operating systems like GrapheneOS and LineageOS are certified devices, so the verification requirement does not apply to them. In full control of your phone matters to you, a custom ROM is now the genuine escape route. For effort, it's the door that stays open.